so we're at Brecknock Park in Dover, Delaware. We have a huge meetup going on. There's a lot of people here, so we're gonna go check that out. And it looks like there's also a Larping competition going on, so maybe we'll be able to grab some shots from that as well. Let's go see what we can get into. All right, so I'm here at Brecknock Park in Dover with...
my name's Alan.
With Alan. So he is at this live action role-playing event. Could you tell me a little bit about what's going on?
So live action role-playing, this is a game called Amtgard that spans over, this particular group spans around the DC, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Virginia Beach area. So it kind of covers that whole area, but it's a national and international organization that plays as far as Ontario and Croatia, but it covers the whole country pretty much.
Awesome, and how did you get into this?
Actually at the local Dover Comic Con a couple years ago, I kind of came across them, and so I started coming out, and then I've since then, you know, kind of expanded. We've started a group down in Salisbury, but this is like one of this group's been here a long time.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Hey!
He is here. I'm here with Ben, so we're about to watch this LARPing match go down. So I'm here with the man himself, the man who started all this. Steve Temple started all this stuff. Don't believe the lies from other people. We're on a quest to find the other group.
Ben started it, not me.
Look, there they are. I found them. I found them. They're in the woods. So Wayne, what do you think of the meetup?
Oh, it's awesome. It's awesome. We have 25 people here. We got 4 or 5 models. Beautiful day, beautiful weather. Great.
Awesome. All right, so we just went hiking through the woods. It's me and Matt. We're heading back. We're gonna merge our 2 groups. It looks like we had enough people to have 2 or 3 groups out here today. So I'm gonna head back. We're gonna merge the groups, do a little debrief, and then we're gonna head out. All in all, I think this meetup was really good. It's definitely one of the biggest meetups I've been to. There was a lot more people here than any of the other meetups I went to. Got to meet Rico, I got to meet Wayne and a bunch of other cool guys. Matt was here, Ben was here, Steve was here for a little while. So we'll see you guys in a little bit, and I hope you like the footage from today.